Hey everyone! Welcome back to Space and Place Smart Ideas. Today, we're diving into one of the most important spaces in any home, the bathroom. Whether you're planning a full renovation or just looking for small updates, we have stunning bathroom design ideas to make your space stylish, functional, and comfortable. Let's get started. If you love a clean, clutter-free space, a minimalist bathroom is for you. Picture soft gray and white tones, a floating vanity with a sleek vessel sink, and a frameless glass shower that keeps everything feeling open and airy. Matte black fixtures add a touch of modern contrast, while subtle LED lighting enhances the crisp lines. And to keep things from feeling too sterile, a small potted plant brings in a hint of nature. Simple, sleek, and effortlessly elegant. No space? No problem. This small but stylish bathroom proves that smart storage is the key to functionality. A wall-mounted vanity with hidden drawers keeps clutter out of sight, while open wooden shelves neatly display towels and essentials. A large mirror helps reflect light, making the space feel bigger, and a glass partition in the walk-in shower keeps everything open and breezy. To add warmth, mix subway tiles with soft pastel tones, creating a cozy yet modern aesthetic. Turn your bathroom into a spa retreat with these luxurious touches. A large soaking tub with a wooden bath tray sets the scene for ultimate relaxation. A rainfall shower with a stone accent wall adds to the natural, soothing vibe, while warm ambient lighting enhances the spa-like atmosphere. Soft beige tones, wooden vanities, and plush towels complete the look. And of course, no spa bathroom is complete without aromatherapy candles and lush greenery. Love raw, edgy aesthetics? An industrial-style bathroom is all about bold materials and vintage modern contrast. Exposed brick walls add character, while black metal-framed shower doors bring a touch of urban sophistication. A rustic wooden vanity with a stone basin sink adds warmth, and Edison bulb fixtures complete the rugged, warehouse-inspired look. For the perfect finishing touch, dark concrete flooring and subway tiles with dark grout, the ideal mix of vintage and modern. If you adore timeless elegance, a vintage-style bathroom will transport you back in time. A classic clawfoot bathtub makes the perfect centerpiece, surrounded by floral-patterned wallpaper and brass fixtures for a soft, antique charm. The marble-topped vanity and an ornate mirror add luxury, while a crystal chandelier completes the old-world glamour. And, of course, black and white checkerboard flooring enhances that iconic vintage feel. Scandinavian design is all about simplicity, warmth, and functionality. A floating vanity in natural wood paired with white subway tiles creates a clean and calming look. Soft beige walls, woven baskets for storage, and textured bath mats add cozy elements without clutter. Soft, diffused lighting and lush greenery bring in the natural warmth that Scandinavian design is famous for. It's the perfect blend of minimalism and comfort. Last but definitely not least, a modern black and white bathroom makes a bold statement. A matte black floating vanity paired with a crisp white countertop creates an eye-catching contrast. Hexagonal black tiles in the shower add a contemporary edge, while a frameless glass partition keeps everything sleek and seamless. The highlight? A sleek backlit mirror that elevates the entire space, making it feel futuristic yet timeless. It's modern, it's bold, and it's absolutely stunning. I hope these bathroom design tips inspired you. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Space and Place Smart Ideas for more home design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.